Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for mastering the world of crypto and building financial freedom. Today, we're tackling an important topic: crypto savings accounts. These innovative accounts promise higher yields than traditional savings accounts, but are they worth it? By the end of this video, you'll know what a crypto savings account is, the pros and cons of using one, how to choose the right platform for your needs, tips for maximizing your earnings while managing risks. We'll also recommend some of the best tools and platforms for crypto savings accounts. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, stick around. This video is packed with actionable insights. Be sure to check the description for exclusive links to the best platforms and tools for crypto savings accounts. Part 1. What is a crypto savings account? Let's start with the basics. A crypto savings account is similar to a traditional bank savings account, but designed for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT or USDC. Here's how it works. 1. You deposit your crypto assets into a platform offering savings accounts. 2. The platform lends out your assets to other users or institutions, often for trading or staking purposes. 3. In return, you earn interest on your holdings, sometimes significantly higher than the rates offered by traditional banks. Many platforms even offer flexible or fixed-term savings options, allowing you to customize your investment based on your goals. Part 3. For pros of crypto savings accounts. 1. Higher yields. Traditional savings accounts often offer negligible interest rates, usually less than 1%. In contrast, crypto savings accounts can offer annual yields ranging from 5% to as high as 15%, depending on the asset and platform. 2. Diverse asset support. You're not limited to one cryptocurrency. Many platforms support multiple assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDC, making it easier to diversify your portfolio. 3. Passive income. With crypto savings accounts, you can earn money without actively trading or speculating. It's a great way to put your idle crypto holdings to work. 4. Easy accessibility. Platforms like BlockFi, Bybit, and Nexo make it easy to start earning interest with just a few clicks. These platforms are user-friendly and often integrate with other financial tools. Part 4. For cons of crypto savings accounts. 1. Volatility risk. While stablecoins minimize price fluctuations, other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly volatile. If the market crashes, your asset value could drop significantly, even if you're earning interest. 2. Platform risk. Crypto savings accounts rely on third-party platforms, which means you're exposed to risks like hacking, platform insolvency, or regulatory crackdowns. Always choose platforms with strong security measures and regulatory compliance. 3. Limited insurance. Unlike traditional banks, crypto savings accounts don't offer government-backed insurance like FDIC or FSCS protection. If a platform collapses, you could lose your funds. 4. Withdrawal restrictions. Some accounts have lock-up periods or withdrawal limits, which can restrict your liquidity when you need access to your funds. Part 5. How to choose the right crypto savings account. Not all crypto savings accounts are created equal. Here's 5 things to consider. 1. Interest rates. Compare rates across platforms. For example, BlockFi and Bybit often offer competitive rates for stable coins, while Celsius may offer higher yields on altcoins. 2. Reputation and security. Look for platforms with strong reputations and robust security measures, such as two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. 3. Asset support. Choose a platform that supports the assets you hold. For instance, stablecoin holders may prefer platforms like BlockFi, while altcoin holders might explore options like Bybit or NEXO. 4. Fees and lock-up periods. Check for hidden fees, withdrawal limits, and lock-up requirements. Flexible savings accounts are ideal if you need frequent access to your funds. 5. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the platform operates legally in your country and complies with relevant regulations to avoid surprises later. Part 6. Tools and platforms for crypto savings accounts. Here are some of the top platforms to explore. BlockFi. BlockFi is one of the most popular crypto savings platforms, offering competitive interest rates on assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Bybit. Bybit offers flexible and fixed-term savings accounts with attractive rates and a user-friendly interface. Nexo. Nexo provides interest-earning accounts for over 30 cryptocurrencies, with daily payouts and no hidden fees. CoinStats. Track your earnings across multiple platforms with CoinStats. It's a great portfolio management tool that integrates seamlessly with your savings accounts. Part 7.0 for tips for maximizing your earnings. 1. Diversify your assets. Don't put all your funds into a single cryptocurrency or platform. Diversifying reduces risk and ensures steady returns even during market fluctuations. 2. Leverage stable coins. Stable coins like USDC and USDT are ideal for crypto savings accounts because they minimize volatility while still offering high yields. 3. Reinvest your earnings. Compound your returns by reinvesting your interest into your savings account or other crypto opportunities. 4. Stay informed. Keep up with platform updates, market trends, and regulatory changes. Use tools like CoinStats or Glassnode to monitor your portfolio and market conditions. Crypto savings accounts offer an exciting opportunity to earn passive income, but they're not without risks. By choosing reputable platforms, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed, you can take advantage of the high yields while minimizing potential downsides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Debt Free Dreams, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crypto tip. Be sure to check the description for exclusive links to the best platforms and tools for crypto savings accounts.